Happy Monday, guys. We had a fantastic weekend. Hope you did too. We are going to do a large sign carvers of the day like we had mentioned. And I apologize up front if this takes too long, but this is as good a group as we've ever had. It's just some phenomenal stuff in here. I definitely wanted to share with you guys. So just so you know, I'm running about 2 months behind. This is from October, late October. So this is early and late October. So this is our first one. These aren't in any specific order, but this is, you all right there?
Yeah.
Okay. We had some technical difficulties behind the camera there for a while. All right, so this is Ian Hansen from South Wales, UK. Fantastic job, Ian. Was that his first sign? No, it doesn't say his first sign, but I love the design. Great job. Sorry about looking over the top there.
That's all right. It's just
Nick, this one is his first signs. Very first signs.
Very cool.
Check those out.
Is that Nick Regalbuto?
That's easy for you to say.
I know.
Say that 3 times real fast.
Sorry,
Anyway,
Nick.
great job, Nick. Sorry if we butcher your names, guys. Stephen Harrell.
I keep saying guys.
Guys.
And gals.
This is a 4-foot wide sign and made for my buddy's repair shop.
Wait, I'm getting those cute.
Here's the sad part. He passed away the day I showed it to him.
Oh.
But he really loved it. We're going to put it up inside his shop to get and have others remember him. Anyway, sad story, but a fantastic sign, Stephen. That's sad. Oh, this is our neighbor, Shane Hammer. I've got actually 2 pictures here. This is he lives over in Kingman. You guys have seen Shane before. And he's not necessarily a sign maker. He just does all kinds of stuff. He does lots of different things. Turns and makes soaps and just does tons of different stuff. Anyway, this is 2 foot by 4 foot made out of, it's 24 by 27 and it's made out of 2x4s and 2x6s. But check this out. Where Kingman is, the capital. See the way he did a standout on the star there? I just think that's so cool.
The capital? You mean where he lives?
Yeah, he lives in Arizona.
Kingman's not the capital of Arizona.
Kingman, I believe, is the capital of Arizona.
Phoenix was the capital of Arizona.
I don't know. Somebody out there is going to know. But anyway, Kingman is, well, maybe it's the county capital. Anyway, this is
cool.
Indicates where Kingman is. Anyway, great job, Shane.
Good job, Shane.
He just does so many cool things. Bert Graham, check this out. Now, he used live edge cedar and he used an aged gel stain and Helmsman gloss. Isn't that cool? Just very creative. I'm telling you, this bunch of sign carvers of the day, just some amazing stuff. Hank Powers.
Ooh.
One of his first. He's retired Navy.
First sign? Holy cow.
And he definitely has a knack for it. Great job, Hank. All right, moving on. Terry Roth. That one's cool. Kind of a neat design there. Terry, I believe, is up in Washington State, if I'm not mistaken. Oregon or Washington. Pacific Northwest, I'm pretty sure. Bo Trower, one of the Texas boys.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Really great job with the torch and the jagged edge there. Great job, Bo. And again, remember, guys, these are several months old, so many of these carvers are doing much better stuff than on here. I'll say, so who's this
Garrett
from?
Turner.
Garrett. Blah, I lost my words there for a second. One of his first 5 signs. Love the vertical grain, and he just did a great job on this. Wow. We just lost, lights.
Your lights.
That's interesting. Huh. I wonder if we lost power in the whole thing.
Oh well.
Huh.
Keep going.
You know what? We got to check this out. We'll be right back. All right, we have lights again. We're back. Greg, obviously this was, again, in October, and this is kind of our design from a couple years ago, our Christmas trio sign set
nice.
there. Great job, Greg. Looks terrific.
Looks just like mine sitting on the door, except for the last name.
Yeah. John
Flippin'.
Oops. Terrific. I normally am not a fan of vertical signs like this, but they really are popular in some instances. And these came out really, really well. Terrific job, John. Robert from Norway. This is actually his business sign.
Oh, I remember seeing this one.
Yeah, from Norway. I talked to him several times. This is his third sign ever. Is that what that says?
Third sign, yep.
Incredible. Anyway, that's his logo and his business in Norway. Maybe we'll get over to Norway one of these days and see him. All right, Jack Dalton. Is that what that said?
I don't know. You're bopping it all.
Sorry. Jack Dalton, one of his first signs. Terrific job. Nice little graphics on there on the old cars. Terrific job. Congratulations, Jack. There's a lot of first-timers here really early on. Todd Richards. Sorry, I know.
Very cool.
A lot of painting. Good for you, Todd. Hope you like it. I don't. But I hope you do. It's a great sign. It's just way too much painting for me. John Saunders? Yep.
I like that board.
Yeah, that's oak. It looks like oak to me. Oh, wait a minute. I have some notes here. Gave him a bunch of cutting boards. Oh. So someone gave him a bunch of cutting boards, so he made some signs. That looks like oak to me. I might be wrong on that, but that's what it looks like. Great job.
You gotta quit doing that.
Huh? I'm going all over the place.
Yes, you are.
And this one is, who is it?
Dana Stanley.
Dana Stanley. He used on the edge, interesting on the edge, he used the angle grinder and just kind of ground down and made some divots and stuff. Almost like scallops.
Like an arrowhead.
Yeah, like scallops on the edge. Great idea. Great. Tammy Holiday. I've got actually a couple of them in here. This is really early on. I actually have her first sign in here. I saw it earlier. These are just not in order. This is early on. This is again from October, and I've seen some of Tammy's recent stuff. And she's just making some great signs. Terrific job, Tammy. All right, I'm getting the hurry up deal. See, that's why I seem so hurried up all the time, because I'm getting this from the other side of the camera. I'm trying. People are saying slow down. All right, there it is. Okay. I'm trying. Floyd Villarreal.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a boot. Doing lots of signs, has a waiting list. He's doing a lot of these. Works a full-time job and makes signs on his days off. Great job. Terrific, Floyd. All right, Frank Sears. This is made for a friend for his bar, I think. It's a big one. I don't have the size on there, but if I remember right, this thing was pretty big. There's a lot of stuff on there. Mm-hmm. That is a lot of stuff. Great job. Terrific work, Frank. Bob Rose. First sign with our bits. So evidently he had been making signs, but he got some of our router bits, and this is the first one that he did with ours.
Cat paws.
Did the little paws on there, huh? It's cute. Great job, Bob. And this is Eddie. That's cool.
He's only been carving for 5 weeks?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's very cool. I love that. Cool looking. I love stuff like that just has a cool look to it. It just looks so good when it's carved. Roger Yazzie, Bread of Life Mission. Oh, I know Roger. I've talked to Roger on the phone, I believe, several times. He's got a place up in Holbrook. And he made this as a present.
Holbrook's in Arizona, right?
It is, yes. It's way over to the east. Made this as a present for the sheriff of Navajo County. And he's one of Roger's biggest supporters at the Bread of Life mission there. And I've gone on and looked at their videos and stuff. They're doing really good things for a lot of people up there. Great job, Roger. Terrific work. Stephen White. Does that say Stephen White? Yeah. Really cool. That's a really neat design on the silhouette stuff where it's background. That's a lot of background.
Cool. I
Very,
like that.
very cool looking. Very cool. Nice stuff. Matt Wilson.
More of that. A lot of background, huh?
Yeah, he's a police officer, and this is for a dispatcher he works with. This is his first laminated sign. Great job. That looks terrific, Matt. David May, Don't Tread on Me. Very popular. That's a very popular design these days. Flags and whatnot. Terrific job, David. You know what? That's not a bad niche to go after the Tea Party people and the Don't Tread on Me people. Check out the detail on this one. Jordan. Fantastic sign. And that's made from a 24-inch round from Home Depot. Terrific job. The little airborne signal. I think that's 82nd Airborne. At least I might be wrong on that. Someone will correct me, but I've done 82nd Airborne stuff before, and it looked like that. So, anyway, Victoria, Sweet V.
Sweet V. She has some gorgeous signs.
She just does some amazing signs. And I need to talk about what she's doing at Tractor Supply, too.
Wow.
Down there. We need to talk about that. Next week, I'm going to do a video all on, I hadn't planned on talking about this, but I'm going to do a video on selling and maybe give you guys some hints. Keith Burge. Keith made this for a lady that is a picker. She sets up at craft shows. Keith was one of the people that came to our seminar a couple years ago, a year and a half ago. Richard Curls. This was cool. Strut and Rut. Or does it say Rut and Strut?
Rut and Strut.
Yeah. Do you know what that means?
I have no idea.
Yeah. Deer rut. During season, they rut. And then the tom turkeys strut. So that's kind of cool. I never seen that before, but it's kind of neat. Shane Northridge over in the UK. Check that out. He does some great stuff. He uses color in almost all of his stuff. He's got really fancy stuff with multiple colors. Great job, Shane. Another one from Bo Trower. This is really a cool one. Just a western ranch scene kind of thing. Bo is just, dude, those guys down in Texas, man, they got it going on. Great job. Terrific work, Bo. Glenn Fournier. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. Great job, Glenn. Looks terrific. I like it. I love that design. Very nice. Okay, I've got a couple pictures on this one. Jason, what's the last name?
Welliver.
Welliver. Now, this actually wasn't carved by Jason.
Hold on.
This was carved by his wife. He had been, and I'll show you another one as well. Check that out. This one's cool. Kind of for Halloween kind of thing.
Tombstone, yeah.
Yeah. And so the story behind this one, sorry, I'm like all over the place here. He's a hobbyist and woodworker and going full time, but his fiance, Linda, never touched a power tool before, was in the shop checking some things out, and decided she wanted to give it a try. And these are both her signs. She's got a talent. Great job, you guys. That's terrific. Christopher Gross? Gross. Very first sign. I told you guys, some amazing stuff here. Just amazing talent. Junior Ayala. Beautiful. Gosh, look at the detail on that.
Hold on.
Obviously must be for a restaurant.
Yeah.
I think I have some notes here. For a friend's barbecue booth at a pumpkin patch. Yeah. Stinking cool, man. Cool. You're waving at me back there? Scott. Very first sign.
Scott
Pinkerton, yeah. Very first sign. This is from an old pallet board. from an old piece of a pallet. Good job, Scott. Keep up the great work. Mitch Barlow.
I like that font.
That nice?
Wish we could get away with making stuff like that. It just
Yeah,
wouldn't
unfortunately,
break.
fonts like that don't work real well with the laser. They're so fragile. That's the kind of thing that you really need to do a transfer on. Yeah, with the freezer paper. What? Now this one, I've been wanting to show this for a long time. Michelle Sarantino. Check that out. So, I've got a couple of them here. I think this is, guys, I think this is a great, I was telling Ryan about this the other day because he was doing some vegetable garden signs. I think this is a great idea for a niche to go after. So this is made from old pallets, and the black is ink, and then what she did is she washed it in diluted acrylic paints. So she took acrylic paints and diluted it, and then just kind of washed over the top. So that's the herbs, and then I think got another one that's tomatoes. Is that cool or what? I just think it's an awesome idea.
Very clever.
You know, I think it's a fantastic niche to go after. Michelle, kudos to you. That is so cool. I love those. I think that's a great idea. Willie, this is for his nephew, who is a truck driver.
Good job.
Look at the detail on those rigs. Great.
Oh,
Hi,
hello,
Magnum. That's our horse/dog out there making noise. He heard something. Anyway, fantastic job, Willie. And, here's Tammy's first one. Last but not least, this is Tammy Holliday's very first sign.
Wow. She did a late over there.
She's got a knack for it. But there's so much talent here.
Very first one?
Incredible, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, she's very handy. All right, we're going to spread these out. We'll come right back and get a look at all of them. Okay, guys. Here they are in their splendor. Just a fantastic group. I commend you guys all. Just terrific stuff. This is as good a group as I've seen. So many first-timers and just beginning carvers. And again, these are, I like the idea of doing the sign carvers of the day in big groups like this. Let me know what you guys think, but what's happening is, again, these are a couple months behind. I'm about 2.5 months behind. But when I first started the sign carvers of the day, I was doing 2 on each video, each Coffee and Questions video. So that would only be about 4 a week. And I get pictures every day of just terrific stuff like this. So I think, once every week or 2 weeks to do a large group like this, I'm going to get caught up that much faster. And you guys won't be waiting for so long to see your sign on camera. So that's my biggest deal is, many of these may have given up waiting for their signs to come on. So this is the way I really like doing it. And I'm hoping that you guys like that too. So thank you everybody that has sent in pictures and that keeps sending me pictures of your stuff. Don't stop. I love getting this stuff, and you guys seem to like it too. Also, don't forget, keep sending me success stories. We love to hear about things that you guys are doing, whether it's monetary or not. Next week, I got some really exciting videos that I think you guys are going to enjoy, but one of them is definitely going to be on marketing and selling and some ideas for you. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great week. I said next week, but actually it's going to be Friday. It's going to be Wednesday. We've got a good one, and then Friday is going to be all about selling and going over some details and different things. Anyway, hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.